Where are we going?
To the beach.
Ikea.
Yeah.
We are at Ikea this morning. Our house is just completely bulldozed with painters. So Florence and I are going to hit up Ikea. I don't come here often, but I always love all the good pieces that we find. So I thought I would take you along with Florence and I, and we're gonna just see if we can find some cool finds at Ikea.
Ikea.
So I'm about a week or so in with the capsule wardrobe and I am loving it. Let me just show you what I'm wearing today. Gray cardigan sweater, the Z Supply white t-shirt. I've got my Banana Republic jeans on, sandals that I bought at Nordstrom a couple years ago. This is the cutest little wood table, $40. This is so cute for outside. That's a cute little table, huh? Very cute, and here's a matching one. This table is $79, great for a patio, and the chairs are $30 a piece. This is crazy. So affordable. He always has really cute faux potted plants, and these are really, really cute. For storing snacks or baking supplies. It's a fun shape. These are super cute for hosting parties. $2.99 for waters. I think I might get a couple. Always love all the paper goods they have here. Really cute prices on napkins and such for parties or just every day. These are cute, just for parties, everyday stuff. Super cute. $1.99 for 30. And these are really cute for kids. $2.49 for a 6-pack. So I'm gonna get these. We could always use more plates in our house, and I like the pastel colors. I also have these little bowls and cups, but I'm not gonna get those today. But oh, and I've got these. 20 piece, $12.99. Good stuff. I wonder if I should get them. I think I'm gonna get them. This is actually a really good price. This is glass, $20, and it has an actual metal spout, which if you're looking for a drink dispenser, this is a really good deal. A lot of times these are plastic and just super cheap. So, 19 bucks. Good deal. Cute these are, Florence. Got pink and white. These are so cute. These?
Yes.
Okay.
This is cute.
Oh, cute. Cute. Put flowers in, or how much is it? $14.99.
How cute.
Maybe not today, but it's super cute. These. You're so loud. Should we put it in the cart? Okay. You're my big helper today?
Yes.
Thank you. How old are you?
2.
Wow. Such a big helper.
I'm not 2. 3.
You're not 3.
I'm 3.
You wish. 2 going on 13.
13.
So Ikea always has the best pillows. If you're looking for decor pillows, the fillers are so cheap. Let me see if we can find some here. $7.99 for a bath mat. White. It's not a bad price. Okay, here are all the pillows, the textiles. Got some cute stuff.
Ouch.
Really cute stuff. Okay, these are on sale for $3. I have a couple of these and I love them. They're so cute. So $3, and it fits inside one $6.99 for a 26 by 26. $3.99 for a smaller one, 20 by 20. $3.99. The cheapest decor pillows ever. Cute for more of a winter fall. Ooh, look at these linen ones. So this one's $14 for the big one. And this little lumbar pillow is $10. It's a really cute white linen, you guys. And then this one's $4, $7. I have a few of these. hold up really well. I'll have to keep this in mind for next winter. Love this blush color, this knit blanket. $24.99. It's really pretty. Some pretty rugs. There's some new, just different textiled pillows. $34. Blue. Pretty. This looks so real. $7.99. I like it. $5.99. I think I might get one to go with that white plant. Definitely want one of those baskets. Cute little throw, $12.99. Oh my goodness. I'm so tempted. I'm trying to be good though. Oh, some more pillow covers. This one is $24.99 for this basket. This is really pretty. I love it. Love, love, love. They're super cute Moroccan style basket. This would be cute with a big plant in it. Storage. These are $12.99. Can't see you. Where'd you go?
I see you.
Peekaboo! These are really cute. Decor, $14.99, and this one's probably less. That's cute. $5.99. Gotta put them together though. Gotta love Ikea. Love these baskets too. These are pretty. These are $12.99 for the bigger ones and $7.99 for this cute little one. Really sweet. You're tired. I've got really good prices on real plants, but also faux plants. The little purple one. $2.99 for outside our window box. Oh, $2.99 for a little bunch of this. Just spotted these organic little guys, fruit snacks, $1.49 a pouch. These would be cute in Easter baskets. So I'm gonna get a few of these. Well, that concludes our Ikea trip. Can you say goodbye?
Yeah,
Say
bye.
Thanks for shopping along with us today. I will be back next week with more videos, and I apologize for being so slow on the videos. Our house is crazy. There's been a lot going on. So have a great day, everybody. Bye. Okay, really quick, I got a couple of these bottles, 2 of those like fun Moroccan baskets, some fruit snacks, this elderberry syrup. Looks delicious. It could be good in just water or in maybe some champagne. $4.99. I got this big bag to store a bunch of my shoes that I'm not wearing for my capsule in underneath my bed. And I got a few faux plants, those plates for the kids, some cutlery for the kids, some napkins, some candles, this little wicker basket. Always use some updated cheap dish towels. And my old cutting board that I had from Ikea was looking pretty bad, so I got this one. 2 fur, came with a mini one. Successful trip.